Affiliate marketing is a popular and lucrative way to make money online, but it can be tricky to get right. In this video, I'll be sharing the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing so you can avoid common mistakes and start making money with confidence. Section 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. So first things first, let's start by defining what affiliate marketing is. Simply put, affiliate marketing is a way to earn commission by promoting someone else's products or services. You earn a commission for every sale or action that is taken through your unique affiliate link. Affiliate marketing is popular because it's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The merchant gets exposure and sales, the affiliate earns a commission, and the right customer gets the product or service that they need. It's a great way to monetize your website or social media presence and can be a passive income stream once set up correctly. Now let's dive into the do's of affiliate marketing. The first and most important thing is to choose the right products to promote. Only promote products that you believe in and that align with your values and niche. This will help you build trust with your audience and ensure that your promotions are authentic and effective. I even go a step further and I only promote products that I actually use myself. Another important do is to disclose your affiliate relationships. This means letting your audience know that you will earn a commission if they purchase through your link. Being transparent and honest about this with your audience will help you build trust and credibility and can lead to better conversions and sales. Third, it's important to promote your affiliate products in a natural and organic way. Don't spam or aggressively market your products, as this can turn off your audience and lead to fewer conversions. Instead, focus on creating valuable and relevant content that educates and informs your audience and promotes your affiliate products in a natural and organic way. Fourth, always track and analyze your affiliate marketing efforts. Use tools like Google Analytics and affiliate tracking software to monitor your progress and see what's working and what's not. This will help you make data-driven decisions and optimize your campaigns for better results. And finally, focus on building relationships with your audience and the merchants you promote. By building a strong network and community, you can attract more customers and affiliates and build a long-term sustainable business. Then the don'ts of affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about the don'ts of affiliate marketing. First off, don't promote products or services that you haven't personally used or researched. This can damage your credibility and harm your relationship with your audience. Another don't is to spam or aggressively market products or services. This can be a huge turnoff for your audience and can lead to fewer conversions and sales. Instead, focus on creating valuable and relevant content that educates and informs your audience and promotes your affiliate products in a natural and organic way. Third, don't forget about the legal aspects of affiliate marketing. Make sure you comply with the FTC's guidelines on endorsements and disclosures and seek professional advice if needed. Finally, don't rely solely on affiliate marketing for your income. While affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn passive income, it's important to diversify your income streams and not rely solely on one source of income. Explore other ways to monetize your website or social media presence, such as advertising, sponsored content, or creating your own products or services. Tips for successful affiliate marketing. Now that we've covered the do's and don'ts of affiliate marketing, let's talk about some tips for successful affiliate marketing. First, focus on building a relationship with your audience. This means engaging with them on social media, responding to comments and messages, and providing value through your content. Second, choose the right affiliate programs and products to promote. Look for programs and products that have a good reputation and high conversion rates and that align with your niche and audience. Third, use multiple channels to promote your affiliate products. This can include your website, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. By using multiple channels, you can reach a larger audience and increase your chances of making sales. Fourth, create valuable content that educates and informs your audience. This can include blog posts, videos, social media posts, and email newsletters. By providing value to your audience, you can build trust and credibility and increase your chances of making sales. Finally, be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort to get right. Unlike what the fake gurus try to sell you in their courses and masterclasses, affiliate marketing is an art. It takes time and effort to get right. But with the right strategy strategy and mindset, you can achieve success and make money online. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to affiliate marketing do's and don'ts. By following these guidelines and tips, you can avoid common mistakes and start making money with confidence. To summarize, remember to choose the right products to promote. Be transparent and honest with your audience. Promote your products in a natural and organic way. Track and analyze your efforts. Build relationships with your audience and merchants, and avoid spamming or aggressive tactics. And don't forget to diversify your income streams and explore other ways to monetize your website or social media presence. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. To your success. Bye.